As a homeowner, keeping your property safe and well maintained is a top priority. One often overlooked aspect of roof maintenance is the potential danger posed by tree limbs that hang over your shingle roof. While the sight of a tree branch hanging just above your house might seem harmless at first, it can lead to significant issues if not properly addressed. We'll explore why removing overhanging tree limbs is crucial for the health of your roof and the safety of your home. One of the most immediate risks of tree limbs hanging over your roof is the potential for physical damage. Strong winds, storms, or even natural weight of the branch can cause it to break off or scrape against your shingles. If a limb falls on your roof, it can cause dents, cracks, or even puncture the shingles, leading to leaks. Over time, the repeated rubbing of tree branches against your roof can wear down the protective granules on your shingles, shortening their lifespan and reducing the overall effectiveness of your roof's defense against the elements. Tree limbs often shed leaves, twigs, and other debris, especially during fall. When these materials accumulate in your gutters, they can cause blockage that prevent water from draining properly. Clogged gutters lead to water backing up on the roof, which can create a range of problems, from leaks to mold growth in your attic. Additionally, stagnant water can rot the wooden parts of your roof and fascia, requiring costly repairs. Keeping tree limbs clear of your roof helps maintain a clean and functional gutter system. Trees that overhang your roof can also act as a natural bridge for pests like squirrels, raccoons, and rodents. These animals can easily leap from nearby branch onto your roof, and from there they may find their way into your attic or other vulnerable areas of your home. Once inside, they can cause serious damage by chewing on insulation, wires, and even structural elements. Removing overhanging branches reduces the risk of animals accessing your roof and potentially entering your home. In dry conditions, overhanging tree limbs can pose a serious fire hazard, especially in areas prone to wildfires. Dead branches, dry leaves, and other debris can catch fire easily, and if they're close to your roof, a spark from a nearby fire could spread quickly. By trimming back branches and keeping them away from your roof, you're reducing the risk of fires that could lead to extensive damage to both your home and the surrounding property. While safety and maintenance are the most critical reasons to trim overhanging tree limbs, there's also an aesthetic aspect to consider. Overgrown tree branches can block sunlight from reaching your roof and the exterior of your house, leading to a damp, dark environment that encourages the growth of moss, algae, and mold. This not only looks unattractive, but can also deteriorate the roofing materials. Well-maintained roof and clean surroundings contribute to the overall curb appeal of your home, which is especially important if you're planning to sell. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity of your roof. By removing overhanging branches, you're actively protecting your investment. Roof repairs or replacements can be expensive and time-consuming, so taking preventative steps to avoid unnecessary damage is always a smart move. Routine trimming of tree limbs is a small but effective way to preserve your roof's integrity for years to come. During storms, strong winds can send tree limbs crashing onto your roof, creating immediate safety hazards for your family. These limbs can also knock out power lines or create debris that makes navigating your property dangerous. By removing overhanging branches, you reduce the likelihood of this type of damage occurring, which ultimately makes your home safer for everyone inside. If you have tree limbs hanging over your roof, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible. Depending on the size and location of the branches, you may be able to do it yourself, but in many cases, it's best to call a professional, arborist, or tree service. Here are some things to keep in mind. Hire a professional. Tree trimming can be dangerous, especially when dealing with limbs near your roof. A professional arborist has the tools, experience, and knowledge to safely trim branches without causing damage to your property. Do it regularly. Tree maintenance isn't a one-time job. Regular trimming, ideally every couple of years, will help prevent problems before they arise. Time it right. The best time to trim trees is during the late winter or early spring when the tree is dormant. This minimizes stress on the tree and prevents it from interfering with new growth. Tree limbs overhanging your shingle roof might seem like a minor issue, but the risks they pose to your home structure, your safety, and your wallet can be significant. By taking the time to trim or remove these limbs, you're protecting your roof from damage, preventing pests and debris buildup, and enhancing the overall longevity of your home. Whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, addressing the issue sooner rather than later will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress in the long run. In the description below, I have included the link to our Google reviews so that you can see what our customers have to say about us, our web address, and detailed contact information. Please hit the like button if you found this information useful. If you know someone who may benefit from this video, please share it out. If you would like notifications about future videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Maranatha Roofing Professionals, LLC hopes this information is helpful. If you have any prayer requests, would like to ask a question, or want to tell us about your roof experiences, please share them in the comments section below. As followers of Jesus Christ, we understand how important it is to know the Word of God. The Bible verse to meditate on this week is from Proverbs 1:7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and instruction. God bless you.